Good morning, everyone. We are following breaking news from overnight. Everyone, of course, is keeping a close eye on Harvey. It is now a Category 2 hurricane, and Dave is joining us with the latest because there's so much floating around online. I know people are getting more and more worried. What do we need to know this morning, Dave?
Well, Harvey's not coming here initially. It's going to make landfall likely as a major hurricane near Corpus Christi, Texas, Middle Texas coastline. Devastating with it being that. And then it's going to sit there all weekend into next week, potentially dropping 20 to 30 inches of rain into Texas.
That's crazy.
And just can't even think about that. That's 2 to 3 feet of rain in Texas. So that's what they're going to have to be dealing with there. And then maybe next week, what's left of it will drift parts into western Louisiana, and that's going to have to bring us some rain next week.
Okay, so we're watching for rain.
So exactly. Rain's going to be the big issue for us, so we're not going to see any kind of storm. It's not going to be like a Katrina type storm or anything like that for us. We're not going to see any of that across our area, so that's some good news. But nonetheless, though, it is a scary storm for much of Texas. Take a look now. Winds are at 105 miles per hour, moving northwest at 9, so it's moving northwest, not coming toward our direction. Pressure at 967 millibars, about 180 miles southeast of Corpus Christi, Texas. As you can see, this is expected to make landfall as a Category 3 tonight and into early Saturday morning, then of course stall and weaken. You can see by Saturday afternoon already Category 1 there on into parts of Texas. Still remaining there, weakening to tropical storm on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It's only near the Houston area. So again, not moving very much there. Going on into Wednesday, it'll be a weak tropical storm, if that, and then it may be heading toward the Louisiana area. But again, if anything, a weak tropical storm. But as we head into next week, that's when it could spread some heavier rains our way. Right now, you can see the satellite radar showing a well-defined eye on the radar as it works its way getting closer on in toward the Texas area. Heavy rain already falling in the Texas coastline. Some of the rain bands not quite getting to Louisiana yet, but we could see a few of those working their way closer to us once the storm kind of works its way toward Corpus Christi there and heading up toward Victoria, Texas. Those areas here back into Houston, this area here just south of Austin, Texas, that could potentially get around 20 to 30 inches of rain here from Harvey, which is just incredible. We potentially could pick up maybe 5 to 10 inches of rain, but not until next week when the bulk of that would arrive over a number of days, not just in one day. So something we'll have to watch closely next week. This morning, we've had a few showers out there thanks to a front sitting over the region, and temperatures coming in from the 70s on the north shore to 80s from New Orleans all the way to the coastline. And as we go about our day today, do grab the umbrella. Just a slight chance of rain around 30% as high temperatures do climb into the lower 90s. Angie?
Well, thanks so much. And taking a first look at your morning.